Díreeve is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say New Year's resolution. Rún afhlíona. New Year's resolution. Rún afhlíona. Rún afhlíona. The plural New Year's resolutions is Rún afhlíona. Rún afhlíona. Now, here's how to say my New Year's resolution is to learn Irish. Tá sé mar rún afhlíona agam an ghaeilge ólam. Tá sé mar rún afhlíona agam an ghaeilge a ólam. Tá sé mar rún afhlíona agam an ghaeilge a ólam. To learn more Irish like this, why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.